today is a privileged opportunity for us to gain further insight into the importance of economic policy design from Professor Miguel.
He's made significant contributions in several areas of economic development, mainly focusing on Africa. He's written seminal papers in studying, for example, the causes and consequences of civil conflict, studying the interactions between health, education, environment. His work has had a significant impact in the discussion of development policies around the world.
Our goal in this study is to provide new evidence on the economics of electrification with a focus on residential electrification. And we study this in rural Kenya. We worked in 150 communities. This is the vast majority of rural communities in a particular region of Western Kenya. We randomized half of the 150 communities, so 75, into 3 different treatment groups with different subsidy levels. When the price is 0, almost everybody takes up. Even here at the 60% subsidy, take-up's about 23%. So I think we can say with confidence, demand was lower than we had expected or that policymakers had expected here. One thing that was not surprising is we do find that electricity consumption does go up immediately. But basically nothing else that we measure in terms of economic dimensions or these other social dimensions changes. Income doesn't go up, hours worked doesn't go up, asset ownership doesn't go up, self-employed business formation doesn't go up, and even the child test scores were just a 0. And this one was one that was particularly disappointing for all of us as educators, as scholars. You know, we thought maybe this would have a benefit. But this is a very important result. It's very important as researchers to publish null results. There's literally billions of dollars going into doing exactly this right now, all over sub-Saharan Africa. If there's anything that data like this can do to help people formulate policy that's more evidence-based or to rethink policy, that would be valuable. So I would just say that we should be just as enthusiastic about them as researchers as something with a lot of stars.